The impact of water and fire damage can be significant for any organization. For some organizations, damage to documents, business-critical information, or valuable heritage collections has serious implications. Many businesses still rely on physical documents on a daily basis, and losing those documents in a fire or flood could have serious business continuity and legal implications. Valuable heritage preserved in museums, libraries and archives could be lost unless the right action is taken immediately after damage. Polygon is the global leader in document restoration, who has been the European leader in document restoration for 40 years. We have the largest dedicated facilities and staff across a number of countries to give you unrivaled support. And we work with organizations to prevent, mitigate and control the effects of damage, and provide support in emergency planning for critical documents and heritage collections. We also train organizations how to be resilient and how to react in the event of a disaster. We restore business-critical documents, books, artwork, photographs and specialist media. And all restoration services can be applied to all types of claims. At times, damage can appear so severe that restoration might not seem possible. These legal documents were feared to be completely distorted by fire and water damage. However, 95% of this critical legal information was successfully restored to full use. But time is of essence when restoring documents, and ideally when documents and books are water damaged, we collect and freeze them in large freezers within 48 hours to prevent them from deteriorating. This gives you time to consider restoration costs and decide whether the restoration can proceed. Polygon responds quickly, and our teams pack the damaged documents carefully and recover them to our high-security local freezer storage facilities. We then apply the most appropriate drying technology to ensure that they're successfully restored. We have unrivaled expertise and the largest fleet of vacuum drying chambers in Europe. We guarantee successful sanitization, ensuring the documents are clean and safe to handle. Our teams act with great care and precision and apply their vast experience to ensure a successful outcome for fragile items, valuable objects, as well as highly confidential files. Preserve the irreplaceable with Polygon.